Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to talk about Oberoi Realty. This is the real estate company with a mid cap and a market capital of 33,122 crore, and it has given a latest closing of 940.60, which is almost 30 points up. If you look at the analyst rating, almost 24 analysts are saying that you can buy this stock at this level because this is not in a overbought zone, though it has given a kind of a breakout over here. So if you are holding this stock for 1 year, it says like it can show you higher level of 1171.98. If you look at the financial, the average industry revenue growth is 3.53 percentage, whereas if you look at the overall reality, it is 7.5 percentage, which is a good one. The market share has increased from 2.6 percentage to 4.6 percentage over the last 5 years. Industry net income on an average is 7.24 percentage, whereas Oberoi Realty is holding industry net income of 11.16 percentage. So here revenue growth, market share and industry net income looks good for Oberoi Realty. If you look at the total revenue of 2018, it was 1295.60 crore, which has increased to 2093.84 crore. If you look at the EBITDA, that also increased from 705.46 crore to 1041.66 crore. If you look at the net income, that also increased from 458 crore to 739 crore. Again, if you look at the earning per share, that also increased from 13.51 to 20.33. So what do we see? All we see is like year on year basis data looks really attractive. The company has continuously made a improvement in the financial result. So hopefully the upcoming result, upcoming quarterly result, which are expected to come in the month of February, we can expect a really good result over there. So hardly we are few weeks away from the result. So before the result, we can expect a good result rally over here. Now, if you look at the shareholding pattern, 67.70 percentage are the promoter holding, DII is holding 1.32 percentage, FII is holding 22.21 percentage, and the remaining is with retail investor, that is 2.76 percentage. If you look at the news, on 8th of January, there is a news saying Oberoi Realty Q3 sales booking jumped twofold to rupees 1965 crores. See, already pandemic is going on. Due to COVID, there was a disruption in the house purchasing, but even though the now pandemic are getting normalized, and because of that we can see the home buying is getting recovered, and with that we can see Oberoi Realty is making a really good net sell over here of their house buying. So that's what they're saying. They can see Q3 sales booking jump to twofold to rupees 1965 crore. So if you look at the details, what they're saying is like last year they sold 234 unit, whereas now this quarter, last quarter, they have sold around 371 unit. Now we will look at this company sale booking that has jumped to twofold, more than twofold, to rupees 2964 crore from 1323 crore in the last year. So as we see, year on year basis, the revenue is increasing, their profit net sale is increasing. So similarly, this news is only giving us an indication that upcoming quarterly results are going to be really good, and that's why we can see a good rally in the Oberoi Realty. So if you are buying this stock at this price, also it's not a though it's not at a support level, but we will look into the chart analysis and we'll talk about the support and target also. So as of now, everything looks good for this. So let's have a look at another news, where on 10th of January this is project pipeline to keep revenue trajectory strong for Oberoi Realty. So as we have seen, the house buying is getting good. They are expecting to fold earning over in the next upcoming result. Along with that, they have so many projects in pipeline which can keep their revenue intact for the upcoming financial year. Okay, so if you look at the chart, so this is a daily chart over here. What do we see? Like from the month of June till the month of November, it has given a really good uptrend rally, and after that the stock has shown a little bit of correction because entire market was going down because of the FII continuous selling. So even Oberoi Realty has also done a bit of correction over here, but all we can see is like, see, the support of almost like 800, 750 to 800, that is intact over here. So it has tested this support multiple time, and it has made a bottom, and this kind of correction is really required for any strong stock to go further up in the uptrend. So this correction is considered as a healthy correction. So what do we see over here? This is the resistance trend line which I have drawn, and whenever the stock was going near the resistance trend line, there was a kind of selling pressure, and the stock was coming down. So here it has given a breakout, the breakout sustained, and after that it made a major green candle and the uptrend has started. Okay, so now we are at 941. Now if we look closely, we can see a kind of here a double bottom formation. Okay, and this double bottom formation is making a W pattern over here. So this is the W pattern. This is a really bullish, it's a good bullish pattern. In this pattern, the moment it crosses this neckline over here, then we can see a good uptrend rally over here. So now we considering this, like this was a resistance, now this is acting as a support. So considering 905 as a support, we can look forward for the next immediate target of 1000, because there is a kind of a hurdle or resistance over here. So this stock may get stuck over here, but if it's sustained over here, the next target of 1050 also can be seen in this stock, because there are so many things happening in the Oberoi Realty, and the way the projects are going and the quarterly results and financial improving year on year basis. If you are keeping this stock in your portfolio for a long term also, you can see almost like 1500 target in medium to longer term. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe, and please hit the bell icon so you will get notified for the next upcoming videos. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.